Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Nedwick and I make healthy lifestyle videos that include new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, a look into my life, and I'm also documenting my journey on compounded Tirzepatide. So today is Monday morning and I am home on my lunch hour. I wanted to do a complete what I eat in a day, but I can never seem to get my act together in the morning. I'm always running late and I didn't have time to film. But so far I had my Nespresso coffee with a scoop of collagen peptides and some sugar-free vanilla creamer. And then later in the morning, I had a container of cottage cheese. I like those Breakstone ones that come in a 4-pack. They're so easy to grab and take to work. And they have, I believe, 13 grams of protein per little container. So that's what I've had so far. And I'm home for lunch. And what I'm gonna have for lunch is this salad that I got from Walmart. Now, I got it on Friday and today is Monday, so hopefully it will be okay. And the lettuce looks not too bad. So this Cobb salad, it says it has 3.5 servings, 160 calories per serving, and 8 grams of protein. So I'm probably gonna have about 2 servings worth. And it comes with ranch dressing, I think. So I'm gonna put that in a bowl and have that for lunch. But let me just give you a little update. In my last video, I did my week 21 results and I told you guys I weighed in at 164.7, which brings my sum total loss to 17 pounds. And of course there's Kylie because she has to have her little voice in every video. She's doing much better, by the way, although she does still have some issues. So hopefully she'll continue to improve and interrupt my videos. So anyway, so I have lost 17 pounds as of Friday. I like to weigh in on Friday mornings. I take my shot of Tirzepatide on Thursday mornings. And for the last few months, I've been doing 7.5, and then the last few weeks, I've done 8 milligrams. And that has worked pretty well. But when I take my shot this coming Thursday, I'm going to go ahead and titrate up to 10 milligrams. And I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. First of all, when I'm reading on Facebook, in the support groups, or on Reddit, there is a whole slew of people who don't really start responding well until they get to 10 milligrams. And I'm thinking that I might be one of those people. And I'm hoping that 10 milligrams works wonders for me. And my plan is to do 2 injections over the next couple weeks of 10 milligrams of compounded Tirzepatide. And then, if you recall, I do have a box of brand name Zepbound 10 milligrams. So for my 3rd shot of 10 milligrams, I'm gonna do the Zepbound pen. And that way I can compare how it feels compound versus brand name. And I'm excited to try that and let you guys know. So back to this weekend, Mike was over. He is gradually spending more time here. For Christmas, I got him a dresser. He's got his own dresser now and a garage door opener. So he is starting to make this more his home. He probably won't move in completely until later this summer. And then, as you know, we got engaged over Christmas and we have set the date for October 3rd, of this year. So that doesn't give me much time to get into shape. Now, if you saw in other videos, I told you that I got a walking pad and I wanted to give you an update on that. I purchased a walking pad on Amazon for $94 and I had tried it once, and I had a little trouble like staying on the conveyor belt, so to speak. And I almost fell off a couple times. So this past weekend, when Mike and I were watching TV, I pulled out the walking pad and I put a kitchen chair right there, and I kind of lightly held my hand on it, and I did two segments of 20-minute walks, and it really made a difference. I love the fact that Mike is spending more time here, but what I find when he is over is we sit on the couch a lot more than I normally do when I'm here on my own. When I'm here on my own, I'm running around cleaning stuff, doing laundry, and not so much sitting on the couch. And I do that more when he's here. So that really worked out well. I did the 2 sessions of 20 minutes yesterday while we were watching, we finished up watching the Hobbit trilogy. We'd seen it before, but we did the Lord of the Rings last weekend, and we finished the Hobbit trilogy this weekend. So, and that worked out great. And I managed to get 10,000 steps in yesterday. So that's my goal. I also am going to start doing some strength training, and especially for the arms. And one of my subscribers, she sent me a video I want to try. It's like 5-minute arms. And, you know, even if I did that for 5 minutes every day, that has to add up, right? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get my salad going. I'll show you how pretty it is in the bowl, and then I'm going to head back to work. And then when I get home, I have some laundry and things to do, but I'm also going to do the walking pad. I'm going to try the 5-minute arm exercise, and I'm trying a new recipe, and it's one I'm kind of inventing myself. And I'm doing it today on Monday because it's French onion soup, and it has a lot of sodium. And I want to try that on Monday, so by the time I weigh in on Friday, I can release some of that water weight that I know I'm going to gain from having excessive sodium. But I just love French onion soup. And yesterday, I made a chuck roast in the crock pot with the Lipton beefy onion soup mix for flavoring, carrots, potatoes, celery, onion, and it turned out really good. I have some left over, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm using a can of French onion soup. I'm going to cut up some fresh onion. I'm going to caramelize that on the stove with a little bit of butter, and I'm going to add some of my shredded beef to the soup mixture. And then I'm going to add some croutons, and I bought mozzarella cheese. I probably should have gotten provolone, but I got mozzarella, the round slices, and I'm gonna put that either in the oven on broil or in the air fryer. I am not sure exactly how I'm gonna do that, but hopefully it will turn out. Okay, let me get this salad together and head back to work, and I will see you when I get home. Well, okay, I am home from work and put on some comfy clothes, and I am going to make my French onion soup. So I just have the regular French onion soup from Walmart, Great Value brand, and I cut up some yellow onion, and I'm going to saute that in the saucepan with some butter until they caramelize. And then I have some leftover roast beef from yesterday, and then I'm gonna add all that together. And then when it's heated up, I'm going to put it in my crock. This is also from Walmart. It's the Pioneer Woman brand. So I'm gonna put the soup in there, then I'm gonna put croutons on the top, and then a slice of mozzarella, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven on broil. So let me get started with that, and I will show you how it all turns out.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the...
Well, okay, I just had my French onion soup, and boy, did that hit the spot. It is about 20 degrees out here, and I think we're into even colder and snowier weather this week. So I am going to clean up the kitchen a little bit, and then I'm going to do some walking on my walking pad, and I'll show you a little clip of that and how I put the kitchen chair there and how it works. And then I'm probably gonna end my evening making that peanut butter parfait I was telling you about with my vanilla protein ice cream that I make in the Ninja Creamy. So, all right, I'm gonna go let my French onion soup digest for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get on the walking pad. I will see you guys shortly. All right, well, I finished my workout a little while ago, and now I'm going to make my version of a peanut butter parfait, high protein style. So I've got my Ninja Creamy right here, and I've actually already made this once, but I put it back in the freezer, so I'm going to put it on ice cream again, and then maybe a respin, and I'll show you exactly how I make my sundae. All right, I had to do a couple of respins, but it's looking pretty good. All right, let me scoop it up. Well, all right, I'm going to take my high protein peanut butter parfait into the other room and relax for the evening. I'm gonna end this video on this note. You haven't seen everything that I ate in the day. They had some popcorn at work that I snacked on, and I had a little extra cottage cheese when I got home from work. So I don't think I'm quite making my 100 grams of protein goal. This has about about 15 grams of protein, 10 for the high protein ice cream and 5 for the peanuts. So that should cap off my night nicely. All right, guys, if you liked this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. All right, for the emoji of the day, if you've made it this far in the video and you've enjoyed it, please do an emoji of ice cream. All right, guys, have a great night, and I will see you next time.